Hey guys, what is up for a brand new Minecraft server spotlight. Today this is a server called Team 1 and I am some TNT introducing you to Team 1. And this is the where you will spawn. So that's all this stuff. I'm not gonna go through everything, and in the end eventually you're gonna have to click here to continue your journey. Click here. Yeah, click here. So now you have to do this and that and that and that and that. So follow me. So yeah, see, so now back here you gotta do this stuff now. So you can just do hub and you'll end up here. I was in the so this is a PvP role and non-PvP role, and this is new to us. You will get to see this stuff. And yeah, so bam. So now wait, what's that? Oh yeah, this is the casino. This is the casino where everybody's gonna gamble if you even want. So this is a Singaporean server, so there's parkour, hide and seek, sports. Whoa. There's paintball, there's war, there's survivor games, there's dropper, which I'm gonna play after this. There's Super Maze, which is not completed, and Zombie Apocalypse that's not created. That is the MMO server, and over that side, if I could just get there, and if you press on this precious plate, they will give you this kit about Team 1, and this is the creative. And if you notice, you could just press kit Team 1. You will receive kit Team 1. But if you have you could do kit default on the if they say this thing here, you need the essentials kits dot default stuff. That means you have to go into either one of these creative to get. And if you want to know how to claim a plot, it must be 10 times 10, and you right click each corner. And thank you guys for this. Thank you guys for watching my videos. This is me saying peace.